I've been farming for 4 years now, and I've always grew up with having like chickens. We've always had chickens in our backyard. We used to have a turkey coop and a chicken coop. Mm-hmm. So I grew up like raising chickens.
But at the point that you are now with the serious urban farming, it's been like 4 years now.
Yes, 4 years.
So of course you growing up with chickens and for the past 4 years doing the urban farming, of course, the training with Will Allen, you're a little more advanced than most of us.
Yes.
So what is it that you would recommend someone that's interested and sees the importance of, producing their own food? What's a good starting point?
A good starting point, if you have like a well-lit house, mm-hmm. like light is essential. So you don't want to put any plants, especially like vegetables, in a dark area. They don't grow well. You can use like some growing lights. Some people do that, or you can just set it by like pots by a windowsill that you can get from whatever store, I guess, in your neighborhood. Okay. You could get soil from whatever store, like Home Depot or Tractor Supply or Blaine's Farm and Fleet, which they have here locally, mm-hmm. About 30 minutes from here. And you can buy compost, or you can if you're not making your own compost like already, you just want to make sure you have the right ratio with that, as far as like potting soil mix and other like types of soils. You want to make sure that's like about half and half, okay, or a 1-to-2 mix.
Because when you start talking about the ratios, I was kind of totally oblivious. Like, how do I know that?
Okay, yeah, 1-to-2 mix, because you don't. With some plants, they require more water. They want water, and some plants don't want a lot of water. Like tomatoes, they can take a good watering. Pepper plants do not like a lot of water. They don't want to sit in water at all. But both of those plants like a lot of heat and a lot of sunlight. And they do best in a lot of heat and a lot of sunlight. And just pepper plants, just well-drained soil. Tomato plants, it can be a little saturated. Nothing where it's just sitting in water. Nothing like just sitting in water. But you can put that, even lettuce. Lettuce grows like very, very easy. Lettuce seeds, you can sprinkle those inside of a pot, and you can get about 4 cuttings before you need to like just till it back in your soil, or just mix it back in the bottom and just reseed it. And in about a week or 2, you'll have some lettuce.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you can actually do that in your home?
Yeah, you can actually do that in your home. You don't have to go to the
those
grocery
3,
store.
you said tomatoes, lettuce, and
peppers.
Peppers can actually be done.
Mm-hmm. Very, very easily grown, like just like regular household use thing, vegetables.
Please explore the collective9.org website and subscribe to the newsletter. Explore the site and make sure you check out Web TV.